Yeah, come on, commit. Good morning, far and awayers. It's exactly 10:15. I think I found the windiest, narrowest road in the Dublin Mountains here. It's a beautiful day, which are few and far between these days. Winter in Ireland. It's a little cold, a little grey, a little rainy, generally speaking, but not today. Today it's spectacular. Big news! You will notice that I am no longer wearing the jerkin of shame. My L vest has gone, because I finally passed my Irish motorcycle driving test. When you're returning to Ireland and you need to trade in your foreign license for an Irish one, you essentially have to start the whole process all over again. What am I up to today? Well, you may recall from my last couple of videos that I've been trying to learn how to wheelie. In my previous attempts at this, I was out in the forest on dirt. I was just trying to get the front wheel up by sort of maneuvering my body weight on the bike, jumping, shifting my weight back, and coordinating all that with my clutch and accelerator. There are a lot of moving parts in all that, a lot to coordinate simultaneously. So today I'm going to take a slightly different approach, and I will instead be practicing clutch up wheelies, which are simpler. They don't require quite as many sort of coordinated parts, so to speak. So join me on this gorgeous sunny winter's day here in Ireland for a little motorcycle wheelie practice. Let's do it. Okay, so the clutch up technique, as I understand it, the aim of the game here is to coordinate your clutch and your accelerator to pop the wheel up. So the sequence is clutch in, give it some gas, drop the clutch, and simultaneously hit the throttle. What I don't really know yet is how much throttle I need to be giving it. I've been practicing this a little bit so far, and I feel like I'm not quite giving it enough throttle. It's a little scary, to be honest, so I'm gonna have to commit a little more. Yeah, just try to get that sequence down. That's my goal for the day, and who knows, maybe I will indeed get a little airtime on the front wheel. Let's see how we go. You'll also see that I'm doing this now on asphalt, where before I was doing it on dirt. Yeah, just one less thing to have to think about, coordinating, you know, loose surfaces and trying to get the rear tire to hook into the dirt. Okay, so second gear. Clutch in, throttle, drop the clutch, more throttle. Here we go. I see one of the issues is that my rear tire loses traction in quite a major way. Okay, I'm getting a sense of what you're supposed to do now. All right, so slow, clutch in, throttle up, drop it, clutch in, throttle up, losing traction in the rear wheel there, okay, clutch in, yeah, okay, that was it. Do you see that? I don't know if it's going to show up on film. Woo! Yeah! Yeah, come on, commit. A little bit. Nope. Man, it is tricky. There we go. Woo! Yeah, okay, so a little more throttle, that's the key. Alright, you know what? I'm going to keep practicing this. I'm not going to bore you with my repeated attempts. I'm going to keep doing this until my hands bleed. It's really a coordination exercise. You got to sort of couple the clutch drop with just the right amount of throttle and just the right amount of speed, and you can definitely just sort of feel the front end then lifting off the road. You know exactly when it happens. What I was worried about originally was it was going to feel totally out of control, you know, like it was I was just going to lose it immediately and loop it or whatever, but it kind of doesn't really feel like that. You kind of get the feeling that, you know, if it did start getting away from you, you could pull in the clutch, you could let the throttle back and bring it back down again. Like, it's not quite as out of the control feeling as I thought it was going to be. Thanks for coming along. I hope you found this interesting and useful. If you like the video, please go down there and hit the subscribe button. Really means a lot. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks again, and I will see you next time. Cheers.